Complete the table of values for y equals x squared plus x minus 3. What we've got is a table with missing values for y. So when x equals minus 3, what we need to do is to substitute minus 3 in for each x we've got here, and that'll give us a value for y. It's quite a good idea to see the equation by putting brackets around the x, then inside the brackets is where we put our number. So for the minus 3, we put it inside the brackets minus 3 squared plus a negative 3, take away 3 equals, well, minus 3 squared is a negative times a negative is a positive, so that's 9. Plus a minus is take away, so we take away 3 and take away another 3, which gives us 3. And then we carry on like this for our other values. So we put 0 in instead of x and end up with minus 3, 1 in instead of x and gives us minus 1, and these values go into the table. Part B. On the grid below, draw the graph of y equals x squared plus x minus 3 for the values of x from minus 4 to 2. Now that is the table that we've just drawn out. So what we need to do is to plot the values when x is minus 4, so there's minus 4, y equals 9. So we need to plot this value here. Now you need to draw this very accurately with a sharp pencil, but I've computer generated one here, and that's what your graph should end up looking like. So the last part of your question, C, use your graph to find estimates for the solutions of x squared plus x minus 3 equals 0. Well, that means where y equals 0. Y equals 0 along the x-axis. So what we need to do is to find this value of x and this value of x. And if you read off from here, that'll be minus 2.3 and 1.3. And the trick is that you've got to draw your graph accurately to get those values, because there's not much leeway in getting that answer wrong.